for Malaysian designer. Adamaya had an amazing show yesterday to the crowd, and everybody went wild when her show came on yesterday. Congratulations!
Hi, I'm Shawati. I'm the designer for Adamaya. Adamaya is my brand name. So we are now in Publica under Bumi Putra Designers Association dan juga Stylo under Malaysia Fashion Week 2018. So I'm doing my collection for the Fusion Mystic as well as pleats and also Kimbaya. So last night was my showcase for the Fusion Mystic. And throughout the whole week here, 1 week we are here at Publica, so many things have happened, good things and productive things. And we have met with the buyers from local and also international market. So we did the business matching and also some discussions with the buyer. And right now I'm happy to say, Alhamdulillah, that I managed to get into Zalora and also Fashion Ballet and also a China platform from the Chinese. Black base because I love black, and black is always exuding bold, boldness, okay, mystery, confidence. And this is what the women of Malaysia are all about. It's all about the confidence, the boldness, but in mysterious ways in their characteristics. That's about my Fusion Mystic collection. Alhamdulillah, right now we are already in Metro Jaya Curve, and you can find all my Fusion Mystic collection as well as Timbaya, and they are all black. And soon we are going to be in Zalora. We are already on Pure Modus London online platform, and soon we're going to be in a gallery in New York to place our product over there as to create more awareness in the US market. So find us online as well as Metro Jaya Curve, and soon in Zalora.